Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the GROVIEW fully sealed 4K projector, and let me tell you right off the bat, the picture quality on this thing is nothing short of incredible. If you're looking for a projector that delivers a stunning viewing experience, this one is worth your attention. And yes, I got it from Amazon. So don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal and available discounts. The moment I powered this projector on, I was blown away by how vivid and sharp the image looked. The native 1080p resolution really brings out the details, and when you feed it 4K content, it looks absolutely phenomenal. The colors pop without feeling oversaturated, and the contrast levels are deep enough to make dark scenes look cinematic. With 700 ANSI lumens, the brightness is impressive even with some ambient light in the room. But it really shines in darker settings, whether indoors or outdoors. Watching movies on this projector feels like a theater experience. You can see every little detail, from the textures and close-ups to the vibrant colors in wide landscapes. Action sequences are smooth and crisp, making it perfect for gaming or watching fast-paced content. One of the best parts is the autofocus feature. It locks onto perfect clarity within seconds. The Keystone correction works like magic, letting you set up at different angles without sacrificing picture quality. Even when I used a 50% zoom to adjust the screen size, the image stayed sharp and distortion-free. For outdoor movie nights, this projector is a star performer. I tested it in my backyard, projecting onto a 120-inch screen, and the visuals were jaw-dropping. Even with a little light from nearby houses, the picture remained clear and bright. It's perfect for watching movies under the stars with friends and family. I've used a few projectors before, but the GROVIEW fully sealed projector truly stands out because of its exceptional picture quality. It's not just about the specs on paper. It's about how everything comes together to deliver a cinematic experience. Whether you're watching a Hollywood blockbuster, streaming Netflix, or even playing games, this projector makes everything look stunning.